In this lesson, we're going to look further into Flash movie architecture at the way we nest objects inside one another to create a hierarchy. This is another sort of abstract subject, but it's easier to understand than the concept of levels that we spoke about earlier. By nesting an object inside another object, we set up a parent-child relationship that is the key to creating complex animations. Have a look here at a representation of a simple hierarchy. At the base of everything, we have a scene, and it has a timeline. Simple stuff. Now, on the stage in this scene, we add a movie clip. While we're at it, we add another. Each of these movie clips has its own timeline as well. So then, inside one of these clips, we add a couple more movie clips. Now, we've set up a few parent-child relationships. The two bigger movie clips are children of the main scene, and the one on the right has two children of its own. The important thing to note here is that each one of these elements has its own timeline, and every one of these timelines operates completely independently of all the others. But because a child movie clip is inside its parent movie clip, anything we do to a parent is also applied to its children inside it. And by setting up different animations on parent and child timelines, we can get a composite animation. Let's have a look at a file that I've included in your work files for this course. It's called architecturecar.fla. It contains some basic artwork that hopefully resembles some kind of four-wheel drive car. I've added some animation to the main scene's timeline to make this thing move across the stage from right to left. The problem is the wheels don't turn. But if I tried to animate the wheels to rotate and move across the stage, it could get a little tricky trying to make the wheels stick with the car and make it look realistic. So, if you haven't guessed already, what I've done is to nest the wheels inside the car movie clip. Then I can animate the wheels separately, and they will always remain stuck on the car. I've actually added an extra step here as well, though. Inside the car movie clip, we have the car artwork, we have the shadow, and we have two wheels. There's no animation here though. I'm saving file size by using two copies of the same movie clip. The animation actually happens inside these wheel movie clips. Double click on one and you'll find that I've actually animated the wheel using ActionScript. Select frame 1 and open the Actions panel. This is an onEnter frame function that we're going to spend some time looking at later on in this course, but the short of it is that it's like a loop. Every frame of the movie, it will increment the rotation of the wheel by whatever value we drop in here. In this case, it's 10 degrees. And if you want to change the rolling speed of the car, you can match the wheel rotation to it by changing this. And that's it for nesting and Flash movie architecture. Let's keep moving on to the next lesson.